Welcome back. This week on the product development desk here at Survival Frog, we have the Quickheat Electric Handwarmer. Here is the box that it comes in. And here it is, the Quickheat Electric Handwarmer by Survival Frog. As the name indicates, this is a hand warming device. It keeps hands warm at freezing temperatures. Depending on the setting that you have it on, it can last anywhere from 4 to 10 hours. Going to turn it on for you here. And as you can see, 3 red dots indicate full heat. You can adjust to 2 or 1. Hold this button again. Shows you the amount of charge the device currently yields. We're looking at 2 out of 3 right now. And on that point, this device does hold a charge. Comes adaptive with a USB output, which means if you have any device that needs a USB to charge, you can actually use the Quickheat Electric Handwarmer to charge your device. And then this is also rechargeable. Use it as many times as you need. Right here we also have the micro USB insert, which the charging cord will come with the device. Insert there to recharge the device as you see fit. And there you have it, Quickheat Electric Handwarmer, brought to you by Survival Frog. To learn more about this product, click on the link below.